All right, what's up, you guys? We're at Crescent City Beach today. See if we can get on some Pompano. Our first pomp of 2021. All right, let's do it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. All right, boys. First fish of the day. He's cruising sideways down the beach. Hope it's a pompano. Feels heavy. I'm not gonna call it. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. All right, it's a 9-foot PENN Battalion. I'm using a PENN Spinfisher 6500. Oh, he's pulling drag. Oh, it's a pomp. It's a nice pomp. It's a nice pomp. It's a nice pomp. Let's get him out here and walk back without losing him. Oh, it's a stud pump! It's a stud pump! Woo! Let's go, baby! Look at that thing! Woo! Freaking stud pump! That's what we're out here for, you guys! Yes! He hit the sand flea. That was a sand flea from Larry Finch. Thanks, Larry, for the sand fleas, brother. We get a measurement on this guy. I'm actually in a Pompano tournament right now, so this is awesome. That is a stud pomp, you guys. All right, let's get a measurement on this guy. Put that right there on his nose. And he's going to be 15 exactly. 15-inch Pompano. I'll show you what I caught him on. That was a Bruno rig from the Sinker guy right here in Jacksonville, Florida. I'll have a link in the description below. I was also using a Sinker guy Sputnik sinker. That was a 4-ounce, and I had a live sand flea tipped with Fishbites Easy Clam, and that was a coquina clam scent. And man, you guys, that's the first Pompano of 2021. All right, awesome. All right, you guys, gonna go ahead and call it a day with that stud pomp. Just want to say thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys' support. Catch y'all next time.